Now we will learn about the promises. If you are feeling callbacks a little bit difficult, you can use an alternative promises also. So let's suppose we have an API or some async nature code which will take some time. So how to handle that? Because JavaScript will jump with this async code and it will move to the next code. So what is happening here? It will console this log, which is nothing, just a log. Then it find an async function, which is this function. It is having a set timeout, but now we are wrapping this API function in a promise. This is a syntax of writing on a promise. We are trying to return a promise. This is a promise object. It's having a two callback. Again, here callbacks are here. It's having a two callback, reject and resolve. So inside this you can put any async nature of function which can take time, and after getting the response or calculating anything calculation, if you are trying to trigger a success response or success callback, you can use a resolve callback and you can give any success response of your API. Here I am just trying to get a hello out of it. You can use reject also for a failure response. Here I am not seeing any how to get an failure, but you can use reject also. And if anything happens wrong in this async nature or API, that will go to the catch block and it will return the error. So what happens when this API get called? Let's suppose I am consoling this function. So what will happen? Again, go to the promise, go to index.html, inspect, console. So whenever you have created a function which is returning a promise and you are consoling, or when consoling its execution, so it will show you that it's a promise. So whenever you get the promise, then you have to write a then. What a then do? A then method is a extension of this promise. What it do, that it will wait till that promise is get resolved. It means that what we have created a promise here, it will wait till this API will get resolved. It brings back the input, and then it triggers that resolve callback, and then after this then will execute, and whatever we will pass by the resolve, it will come in the X and we can console it. So we are passing hello, it will come after 2 seconds, and you can see we have write the console log in the then block, so it will come in the console log after 2 seconds. But as this is a async nature, so JavaScript will first log this, then this, because it is coming after 2 seconds, so this will log at the last. As you can see, everything ends then hello. So it is just an alternative of callbacks, but instead of writing and callback inside and callback, you can write a clean code with a promise, and you can avoid the callback hell problem. Thank you.